Aloha! This video focuses on time management and is brought to you by the Noeau Center. Whether it be studying for a test or preparing for the next assignment, time always seems to slip by and there are never enough hours in a day. Here are 5 tips we recommend to effectively manage and get the most out of your time. Number 1, list out all your tasks, and we mean everything. Every task you have floating in that mind palace of yours, write it down on a piece of paper, sticky note, or whatever, and make it concrete. Then, organize that list in order of importance. If there are too many and it's overwhelming, split them into categories like a tier list. It helps to break it down into the ones that need immediate attention and the ones that can wait till later. This prioritizes the ones that are most important, and then you can spend more time doing the work instead of worrying which ones come first. Number 2, when you start to work, begin at times that work best for you. You may be an early bird, you may be a night owl, you may be a permanently exhausted pigeon, but even pigeons have peak times to get work done. Find your most productive time and schedule things for that time. Don't use this as an excuse to not do work or put it off till later. If you know you have a lot of work to do and there aren't enough hours during your peak time, try working in 30-minute increments to get started on those projects. When you need to take a break, resist picking up that phone and do something like meditation or exercise to re-energize your body and mind. Number 3, avoid multitasking. Stay focused on one task by minimizing all distractions. And if you catch a rhythm or get in the zone, don't stop. It'll be really difficult to get back into the groove again, so utilize it while it lasts. Number 4, as you do your projects, keep track of how long each task takes you to complete. This way, you have a better idea on how you are using your time, especially if you're taking breaks in between. How long are those breaks exactly? Did you use your break time to recharge, or did you use it to scroll on social media for 40 minutes? When you're done with your project, look at how long it took you to complete it. Then apply it to your future projects. Number 5, for more long-term time management, we recommend using a calendar. Whether it be a digital calendar, physical calendar, or a planner, write down all important dates and deadlines with a small description of what needs to be done. This way, you can visually see exactly how busy you are and how much time you have. To review, list out everything and prioritize based on importance. Work when it's best for you. Avoid multitasking. Evaluate how long a project takes and plan for the future. And use a calendar to visually see how busy you are. Thank you for watching. If you're watching this for course credit or want to test your knowledge, please take the quiz below. If you have any questions, you can contact us in these ways below. Aloha!